The time is 17:41. Boost is 1.4 tonight until 10 p.m. Just had my first order come in. It's 0.4 miles away and a 1.4 boost. So hopefully it's going to be more than a 1.5 mile trip. 4 minutes, no worries. Yeah, at least they tell you how long it's going to be. 6-2 there. Thank you very much. Hi UberEats. Hello. There you are. Thank you very much. Thanks. That last one paid £6.24. Not a bad start. Yeah. I had a little break, just chilling out, got some food. Time's 6:45, so hopefully deliveries start coming in soon. But yeah, just waiting around at the moment.
Yeah, supervisor Carter, you need name names on hand. Pull back, name take apology, please.
Oh, just had an order come in, literally round the corner. It's handy. Perfect. Thank you very much. Cheers. This one is 0.4 miles away. That one was 402. Finally, an order after like half an hour, 45 minutes. Thank you. So I just got another order come in from the same place I just picked up from. Just got another one in Subway. Thank you. 2 miles away. So I just had an order come in. Wow, oh, perfect, thank you. £6.90. I'm gonna head back towards home because yeah, it's died down a bit. Haven't had any orders in about half an hour. Just had another one, literally 0.2 miles away, so I might as well do it. Yeah, let's go grab it. I just picked up that one. It's 1.6 miles away. Bye bye. £5.55. Not bad. It takes me up to £39.76 plus the £1.50 tip I got as well. It's just over £40. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you like my content. Yeah, stay tuned for the next episode.